Guys, welcome to the Theory of Vibration lecture series. Today we are going to see the basic MATLAB implementation in solving of vibration problems. Here we are going to understand the technical computing and programming of engineering application of MATLAB. So this is Professor Nehru, Department of Aerospace Engineering, SNS College of Technology. We'll see the perfect application of MATLAB in aerospace, mechanical, electrical engineering, and anyone who are starting the journey in the MATLAB will start with this fundamentals. By the end of this course, you will able to navigate the MATLAB workspace, command window, editor effectively. The performance of basic matrix calculation can be usage in the accurate level, creating the 2D stunning 2D and 3D plots to visualize engineering data, writing, debugging, and execute MATLAB scripts for real engineering problems. Also applying the 5-stage design thinking methodology to structured problem using MATLAB can be solved. These skills for the backbone of the technical computing in the engineering. Let's go with the flow. So MATLAB stands for the Matrix Laboratory. It is a high-level programming language and it interactive environment development by the math work. Preliminarily uses for numerical computing, data analysis, and algorithm development. Engineering and scientists love it because it is powerful tool to build and function for matrix and linear algebra operation. Stunning 2D and 3D visualization and animation, easy scripting with M files, matrix files in the new few minutes. We will see how to use the MATLAB interface effectively in the upcoming slides. So one of the unique aspects of this course is integrating design thinking with MATLAB coding. Here is the 5 stages of process: empathize, understanding the engineering problem and user needs. Clarify the computational requirements of MATLAB for this solution. Ideas gives the explore multiple algorithm approaches used in the MATLAB to solving the greatest and excellent results. Prototype building and testing a MATLAB code is iterative process. Finally, the testing and validate results give the fine and refined values of results. This systematic user-centric approach turns complex problem into the elegant MATLAB solution. Let's walk through the implementation steps. Initialize workspace, use clear and declare variables, data inputs, load data, and create matrix. A matrix operation use algorithmic and linear algebra. Visualization helps us to understand the create plots and charts in various results. Finally, the analysis, interpret the results and gain insights, gives to the results oriented understanding. Here the simple visualization output we are creating in the MATLAB in a live demo upcoming shows in the action. MATLAB is used to across industries. Here are some key applications in aerospace: trajectory analysis, flight simulators, mechanics, signal processing, filtering and fast Fourier transformation, noise reduction. In image processing, it helps us to understand the edge detection, enhancement, recognition. Control systems, PDA controls, stability analysis. In data science, this MATLAB helps us to understand the machine learning programs, especially regression or the clustering. Mathematical, it used to calculate calculus, differential equation, and optimization. The possibilities are endless. Let us take a small example. MATLAB percentage of matrix creation. Let us take A equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Data plotting may be x equal to 0.012, a equal to sin x. Plot x, y percentage of loop can be I equal to 10, which displays the function of sine wave in the blocks using the math work. So the variables are stored in the numerical data. It can be shown in a 2D array operation. The function will be recoded in the blocks. To summarize the MATLAB transformation complex engineering problems into the solvable computational solution. The key takeaway from this can be understand the efficient technical computing tools essential for engineering analysis, a strong foundation for advanced toolbooks and the Simulink. They explore the MATLAB toolbooks, try Simulink for modeling, build a real-world project, daily starts practicing basic operation from today. If you found the helpful, like, subscribe and the comment on the below. MATLAB topic can be like next we can do more practice on problem solving and practical projects. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.